A massive Bitcoin move ahead, so don't get left behind, my friend. Yes, my friend, don't miss that move. It's going to be the last move in that bull market. To know exactly which move us we're talking about, make sure to watch that video from the start till the end without skipping any part of it. As you see, guys, that the daily candle here, it finished. The good news, the daily candle is very small here, but it's breaking for us that 99,500. You see that small candle here, it's breaking that 99,500. Yes, also we haven't closed above 100k, but everything's still looking the same, guys. By the way, guys, before I continue, we want that video to reach to 100 likes. Guys, please support us by just smashing that like button if you like our content, or sometimes we're thinking to stop everything. So if you like our channel and you want to support us, just by smashing that like button which is down and write with a comment if it's possible. You done it? Thank you very much. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord where we give a long-term swing trading and day trading signals. Also yesterday we enter a long, as you see it here. At the long we enter, it's hitting the first take profit here. We take the first take profit, we're moving stop loss to entry point. Now also we are risk free, plus even for long term, for the Ethereum people, they following us. As you see it, we sell 25% of our long-term portfolio in the Ethereum at $4,000. So if you are interested in those type of signals, the link of our Patreon is down in the description of that video, and in the first comment you click at it, you're going to land here in Patreon. You click at join, that one or that one. You finish the payment process. Inside Patreon there is a video going to show you all the steps till you're going to be in our VIP Discord. Which video we're talking about? As you see it, we got that one if you are using a PC, and we got that one if you are using a phone. Very easy steps, but if you're facing any problem, my friend, you can text me either here in Patreon or in the free Discord, then we're going to solve those problems for you. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, the Bitcoin here, today, Saturday and Sunday, you know it, majority of the times it doesn't move. Yes, sometimes Saturday and Sunday we see huge move compared to all the week, but that Saturday the market is still flat here all the day. Also we are in the same place, we haven't moved, all that way also we haven't take any action. But here in the daily everything's still looking great. As I told you, that smaller candle here, it's breaking that 99,500 as we talk about, but everything's still looking the same, nothing was changed. We still have here that up channel like that. If you remember, also we talked about it before, it's still the same. Now the view don't want to go to touch the top here, then after that maybe it's going to stay sideways till we're touching the lower of it. But that move here inside that channel, there is no volume, and the Bitcoin is still fighting, guys. And I give you the reason why it's fighting, because I told you there is a lot of exchanges. Those exchanges, they run out of Bitcoin and they don't want the Bitcoin to break that 100k. They want the retail traders and those ones they hold in the Bitcoin for long term to start selling their Bitcoin. So for them to get some Bitcoin, that the goal of them, because if the Bitcoin breaking 100k and all the retail traders they taking off the Bitcoin of them from those exchanges they are going to collapse, because majority of the trades they have is only in futures, spots. Some of them they run out of Bitcoin. That why them they fighting for that 100k. They don't want it to break it, but everything's still looking the same. There is nothing changed. Also we're still waiting here in daily, it's still going up, guys. There is nothing new here. We still have high, low. At this time today we're breaking that 100k. We wanted to go more higher to give us a new high at the view, and it's going to give it to us. That for long, for short, I told it to you before, that 91k. If the Bitcoin fall down like that and break it, that's another story. We can enter a short. Yesterday Yesterday I saw some comments, they telling people the Bitcoin is going to fall down to 88k. Some of them they said 75k. No, my friend, there is nothing like that. If we saw a smaller correction, we're going to fall down to 95k or something like that. But 85k or 88k or 75k, that will not happen at this bull cycle. Maybe the next bear cycle, yes, we're going to see those levels. But now, no, there is nothing now. It's still very early and I'm going to prove to you in that video. Now, as every Sunday we analyze for you some on-chain analysis. So let's go in there. We started by the first indicator. So let's go in there, guys. Here we are, guys. We start by the first indicator, the one here, stock flow. We analyze it every day here. As you see, guys, the color here, it's still a little bit now closer to orange. Same like here, same like here, same like here. There is nothing new here in all those levels, guys. When should you sell? Based only on that one. When the color become like that, yellow, yellow, and yellow. Did you see any yellow now here in that chart where we are now? Not yet. By the way, the one here is for long term. You need to remember that. So when should you sell? When you sell yellow color here. That's the right time for you to sell. At this time, there is no selling, so you need to wait. I'm going to show it to you in another place, which is more clear because that one has got a dark background. Let me show it to you. Look at it here, guys. You see where you are now? The color, it started getting orange, like here in the next cycle here, in that cycle here, in that cycle is it here. When should you start selling? When the color become from yellow to green, like that, like that. Did you see any green here? No, my friend. So it's left for it more room to go more higher, guys. That based on fundamental Bitcoin, it's still very, very bullish, guys. There is nothing here telling you need to sell your Bitcoin. I think I explained everything to you guys. Now it's going to see the second indicator, what it's telling us today. Second indicator, that one also we talk a lot about it here in that channel. If you remember what else we used to tell you when you used to be here in the blue, we used to tell you in the blue level is the right time for you to buy. Yes or no? We used to say that. Now where we are in the green, guys. We are in the green here. Here in the green level, should you sell? No, my friend. Where else we told you need to sell? We told you need to sell when we touch in the orange. Did we touch the orange now? Not yet. It's left for the yellow till the orange. That's the right time when you need to sell, guys. At this time there is no selling and you need to hold your Bitcoin. It's still very early for you to sell. Yes, me and the people they follow me as we sell some Bitcoin, but that one is it for long term, guys. We sell because we need some cash and we don't want to pay taxes in one go because 2025 is going to enter, so also we're going to pay taxes for 2024. That way also we're selling some Bitcoin. So I think I explained everything. Let me show you the third indicator we got today. That one is going to give you more clear picture. Let me show it to you. That one here, we don't analyze it a lot here in that channel, but that one is very, very simple, guys. That one, telling us one thing. Us, we are like here. You see that place here in the chart? Is it that high here? That's where we are now. That meant that the first phase. When we touch in that 74k, it's being here. Now what the view? Because if we go back to the history, guys, and we calculating the right time for you to sell Bitcoin, it's always been from 7 till 10. From 7 till 10. If we came here in all those places where we are, what you see? Over here, that MVRV, it's being at 7. Over here, it's being at 10. Over here, it's being at 10. Over here, it's being at 7. At this time, when us we're recording that video, did we reach to 7 or 10? Not yet. So what it's left for it? It's left for it more room till here, guys. Till we reach to 7, that's the right time for us to sell. Yes, we got something not right here. If you're looking with me here, that's a downtrend, yes or no? But we haven't even touched the top of it here. So it's still very early for you to thinking of to sell your Bitcoin, my friend. Very early. That's why me I told you there is a huge move coming. Hold tight. No matter what happens, you see smaller moves, smaller corrections, but the Bitcoin is still going more higher, guys. I think I explained everything to you. Now let's go into see the Bitcoin is doing today in 12 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. Here we show you we got here a divergence like that. We show you all those things. But here, based on price action, there is nothing telling us the market is going to dump. So there is nothing telling us we need to enter a short. Actually, we break in that huge place. We got a huge volume here. We break it today. Yes, man, there is nothing yet. Just hold your Bitcoin. We're still in an uptrend. We show it to you. We're still in an up channel like that. Not the up channel. So there is nothing telling you need to sell. Even those moving averages, they're telling you are in a very sharp uptrend. Look at them, how they are. Even the 20 moving average, that yellow one, that one is very fast. It's still above than the 50 moving average. So there is nothing telling you need to sell. Because I heard a lot of people, they're telling you the Bitcoin is going to dump, something like that. There is no dump, guys. Bitcoin is still continued upward. Us, we are just in the first phase of the bull market. Just hold tight, no matter what happens. Don't get scared, don't get checked out. Hold your Bitcoin till the right moment. And we're going to tell it to you here in that channel when is it the right time to sell your Bitcoin. Yes, you can't start selling like this away. That's what us we're doing, because us when we used to buy like this away. Now we need to take some of the profit or to book some of the profit, but not everything. Also, in the first year at 95k, we take only 5%. When we reach to 100k, we take only 25%. And we still have Bitcoin, guys. Same thing you need to do even you. Levels, you need to look close at them here in the Bitcoin. Let me show it to you. That one here at 102, 603. That one down here at 95, 486. And that one here at 90, 808. Those was the levels you need to look at them. That tree here, when we break it, then also we're going to give you a new levels, because us every day we update you here in that channel. Now we're going to see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum in the 4 hours, guys. Here the Ethereum we still have here that up channel, as you see it. I draw it now. Touch the top of it here. Now let's see if we're going to stay sideways here till we touch in the lower of it. Then the Ethereum going to give us a new high, because look at it here, and we show you all those things. We told you when we touch in the top of that channel here, we don't fall down very sharp. We stay sideways here till we touch in the lower of it. Then it gives us a new high. Same thing here. Stay sideways here till it touching the lower, then it gives us a new high. Now same thing is going to stay sideways here till it will touch on the lower of it. Then after that it's going to give us a new high. Even the Ethereum is still going above, guys. We just touched 4,000 and the view is going to touch till 6,000. That's my view personally. Now let's see our indicator. We're saying here in the Ethereum, our indicator, guys, we still have here that divergence that we showed it to you before. That the divergence, very clear divergence here. Should you enter a short based on a divergence? I tell it to you, if we break in the lower of that channel, yes, you can catch a short. That time, yes, of course, you need to enter a short. But if it doesn't break in the lower of that channel, we still only in a uptrend, guys. There is nothing changed. Even our indicator, look at it, guys. Look, very clear picture here. When we break in here, that level in the middle exactly here, all that time our indicator is just falling, touching that level here, and it's like to spend majority of the time in the place where is the bulls they controlling. That technically telling us we are just in an uptrend. There is nothing telling you need to enter a short. So hold your Ethereum till the right time. Now let's go in to see Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys. Here in Bitcoin in 4 hours, we draw for you that up channel. Also, we show it to you before, but when we draw it like that, it's going to be more clear to you. We touch the top here, we touch the lower here, we touch the top here. Now, what the view? The view, same thing, is going to spend some time here till it is going to touch the lower of that channel. And after that, it's going to touch the top of it. And also, we tell it to you, we told you, Bitcoin those days is going to stay like that because there is no huge momentum, and we got a huge number of stops here at that levels here. So those people, every time when Bitcoin touching here, it happened a huge dump, the majority, but the big problem that not Bitcoin spot is only futures. Futures, that man, those people, they don't shorten by Bitcoin spot, they shorten by futures. Futures, that man, those people, they don't got Bitcoin. That way we saw those exchanges, they try to dump Bitcoin here, but how long those ETF, they are going to still buying Bitcoin OTC? It's going to come, they are going to be registered in exchanges, and we're going to see it, Bitcoin pumping hard. Oh, that's what else we saw until now. There is nothing new here. Another very important here in Bitcoin in 4 hours, let me show it to you. Is it that one here? That one is very important, guys. Look at that 20 moving average here, how those 4-hour candles, they're reacting here. Every time they fall down and they touch it, then they go back above. So, also we're still in an uptrend. Yes, Saturday and Sunday there is no volume, but also we're still in an uptrend, guys. There is nothing changed here. Now let's go to see our indicator, what it's saying today here in Bitcoin. Our indicator, guys, we show you that divergence as we got here in 4 hours. We show it to you before. Should we enter a short? I'll tell it to you. If we're breaking down here, yes, we can catch a shot. If that doesn't happen, also we still only in a place where is the bulls the control and there is no bears. That indicator, also we're looking at it to tell us the right sentiment, guys. The right sentiment now, also we are in an uptrend. There is nothing changed. So hold tight your Bitcoin. Don't sell it in a discount to someone. That's my last advice to you. If you want exactly when also we enter, we will put in stop loss and those things, you can join our VIP Discord where we're giving daily signals there. But of course, if you are interested, now let's going to see Bitcoin we're doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 30 minutes. Here in yesterday video we show you here that one here, and we told you guys we got here a head and shoulder, and it was the thumbnail of the video. As you see it now, the head and shoulder is more clear now. All the things we need to break the neckline for the Bitcoin to show us is going to go more higher. But the only things, no, we got something here for short. For short we got that one here, that level here. Look at it, that one here. If any candle came and break it down here, we're going to enter another short, guys. When the Bitcoin, he doesn't have the power to break that neckline of head and shoulder above. And if we break it down here, we're going to enter a short. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying today here in Bitcoin. Our indicator, same thing. That one he came back, he touched here extreme overbought area. But the good news, that one here is only in a place where is the bulls the controlling. That means there is no bears, and also we're still in an uptrend, guys. Look at it, he couldn't even break that wall as we got, and today he spent majority of his time in that purple level. That means there is no trading. That's why also we don't enter any trade yesterday or today, and we still have only one long trade. We enter it from here exactly, I think. Now the stop loss, may I move it here because I tell it to the people they follow me, is it exactly here? It's hitting for me the first take profit. So if the market going to dump and they show me a sign of dumping, I'm going to close the long and I'm going to wait to enter from a better entry. And that's what our job, that's what us we doing every day. Yes, Saturday and Sunday us we don't day trade because majority of the time market is very flat and nothing is working at those days. That's why us we wait until Monday, then us we're going to catch a trade. If you are interested, you can join us before that Monday if you want to catch the weekly move with us. So I think I explained everything to you guys. So that's it for that video, and please guys, if you like our content, make sure to smash that like button, to write with it a comment if it's possible. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.